This is very groundbreaking research. It was done with 700 executives. First of all, we found that the majority, 82% of them, are really doing interventions, targeted programmed interventions to do cost reduction. However, they see big failure in the actual execution of those programs. Only 36% say that the results are sustainable. The second key finding is that we found the link between growth on the one hand and cost on the other hand, so doing cost reduction to reinvest into growth, that this link is broken. And the majority says that the investments are not being driven by ROI, they are not being driven by the overall business strategy. Secondly, we found incredible mismatches between the different executives in the C-suite, but also between the C-suite and the VPs on where to invest. The end result is an absolute shotgun approach, very little investments everywhere, decided by everybody. And then our third finding, and this is where people do actually agree, and we've labeled this definitely digital, is where they're saying the priority investment actually should be in digital, both in creating a digital advantage in our communication with our customers, our consumers, as well as in digitizing our operating model so it becomes more flexible. Start by creating a proper growth strategy so you know where to invest, where the growth is going to come from, where your profit pools are going to come from, and have that insight inform your cost reduction effort, as well as inform your reinvestments of the cost reduction. Secondly, is to manage the journey more appropriately. Seek better alignment between the leaders, seek a very good journey of accountability changes to make all of this sustainable, and last but not least, have the appropriate investments into digital, especially also to create a way more agile and flexible operating model so you can act on your ideas of reinvestment.